Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. This video is in collaboration with Wiggins Hair. So I'm just showing you all the goodies that come in your package and the wig, of course. I haven't had a wig that has like just a regular standard flat track top part in a minute, and I love it. It's so flat. So this is a 24-inch kinky straight unit, a V-part unit, and I'm just showing you what it looks like on. The hair is super full. If you're looking for a full U-part, V-part situation, I feel like I get the fullest units from Wiggins. I had one a while ago and that was extremely full. This one isn't as full, but it's definitely a nice density. And I didn't straighten this before installing it. It's just been blow dried. So if you straighten it, oh, it is going to eat down. But here I am just sectioning off my leave out, getting ready to plop this on because this is like, is it an install? Not really. It's so quick. Typically, I'm pretty sure you could probably do this in like 5 to 10 minutes. The putting on process, not the styling process. But y'all know the deal. I do not braid, so I'm just going to twist my hair and pin it up and then put the wig on.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
And then I just line it up with my leave out that's already parted. The wig has clips and combs, so I just clip the clips as they're supposed to be clipped at the top. Sometimes you have to like readjust, resection your leave out, but that is fine. Well, if your hair is braided down, you really can't resection your leave out. So yeah, the wig goes on super easy, clips, combs, all that jazz. And again, this is 24 inches on me, and this is the hair washed and blow dried. I'm not sure if they do specific cap sizes anymore. Sometimes they fit, sometimes they don't, and it's kind of hard to tell sometimes, especially if your hair isn't braided down. But this one is fine. So now I'm just gonna move on to parting my leave out. You guys know I have a bang, so I'm still just trying to figure out, you know, if I can wear a middle part yet or not, but the bang is growing, so that's good. So a middle part is what we're going for today. I am going to crimp my hair so it's not going to stay straight. The best part about kinky textured hair is that it holds whatever style or heat styling that you do for a really long time. Like, I still have wigs in my closet that I've wand curled probably like 5 months ago. They still have wand curls in it. So when you get a kinky textured hair, if you curl it, crimp it, wand it, whatever, it's gonna hold that style until you wash it and restyle it. So I'm using this deep waver that is so old. I guess I'm not doing crimps. I didn't want to use my crimper because I knew I wanted the waves to be a little bigger and a little softer and not give off like the crimped look. So that's what we're doing today, and it's really easy, so just watch.
don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You said you warm with my heart, and Kinky ever be so hot. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. 'Cause if you ever wanna drown, I need to hear it from you. Can we no longer time without? Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep. That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see, boy. I know where I wanna be. Just wanna know what you love in me, boy. Yeah, don't let me go. You know I wanna be around. You said you wanna with my heart, and give me everything, so I can see I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Don't ever wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. Can we no longer sound without? Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Don't let me down, don't let me down, let me down. Hurt me, yeah. Don't fuck me up, don't fuck me up.
And this is what we are looking like. Really, really cute. The hair is so full, as you can see, and this hair has a lot of body. Like, to be full like it is, the hair is super lightweight. It's not heavy at all. As you can see, it has a lot of movement. We love that. And I'm just going in with a little edge control, because what's a style without that? And the styling part is done. If you need like the perfect texture to match with your textured hair, I highly suggest Kinky Straight, Yaki Straight, whatever. I'll be sure to list all of Wiggins hair info in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to the unit that I'm wearing. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.